For months, the biggest mystery surrounding the Insta360 Luna Ultra wasn't the specs, it was the design. Leaks showed the body, the grip, the ports, but never the front. Never the actual camera experience. Now that's changed. New hands-on prototype footage has finally surfaced, and this isn't some polished marketing render. This is a real pre-production unit with exposed hardware, unfinished edges, and a fully visible interface. And honestly, it changes everything. The first thing people noticed was the brand new white Panda colorway paired with a completely redesigned front display. The screen rotates, flips, and adapts depending on how you shoot. Whether you're filming yourself, capturing low-angle cinematic shots, or using it traditionally, the interface instantly repositions for the moment. And unlike older pocket cameras that become unusable outdoors, this display looks incredibly bright. Early footage suggests a high-brightness OLED panel around 2 inches in size. But the bigger story is the control layout. For the first time, Insta360 appears to be treating this less like an action camera and more like a true professional filmmaking tool. There's a dedicated zoom lever, a joystick for gimbal control, a textured one-handed grip, and a redesigned record button surrounded by a glowing red ring. Everything looks built for speed and tactile control instead of touchscreen dependency. Then comes the biggest reveal of all. The camera module detaches. That confirms the long-rumored modular system people thought might never happen. And if this works the way leaks suggest, the Luna Ultra could become something entirely different from the DJI Pocket series. Instead of one fixed shooting style, the camera can separate from the grip and be mounted almost anywhere. That means wearable shots, remote placement, ultralight handheld setups, and action camera-style flexibility in a stabilized cinema device. DJI currently doesn't offer anything like that. But the real shock appears when the menus become visible. Because hidden inside the interface are resolution options showing 8K recording. Not rumors. Not insider claims. Actual menu settings displayed directly on the prototype. And that changes the conversation immediately. Most compact gimbal cameras still live in the 4K world. Some are pushing toward higher resolutions, but 8K on a device this small is an entirely different level of ambition. To pull this off, Insta360 likely needs a massive sensor upgrade combined with aggressive computational processing. And according to the leaks, this thing may feature a 1-inch class sensor with advanced 10-bit log recording and up to 14 stops of dynamic range. That's serious camera territory. Then things get even crazier. The Luna Ultra reportedly includes a dual camera system featuring both a wide lens and a telephoto module. And based on the leaked footage, this isn't just digital zoom. The zoom looks clean, sharp, almost optical in quality. Some reports suggest anywhere between 3x and 6x sensor-based zoom performance. If true, that would completely separate it from every current pocket gimbal competitor. Because suddenly, creators can shoot cinematic wide shots and compressed telephoto footage from the same tiny camera. That's a huge shift. And Insta360 seems to be building an entire ecosystem around it. A new wireless microphone system is rumored to launch alongside the camera with direct pairing, long battery life, and 32-bit float audio recording. No external receiver. No complicated setup. Just instant wireless audio built directly into the workflow. At this point, the picture is becoming very clear. The rotating screen is real. The modular system is real. The dual camera setup is real. And 8K recording appears to be real too. What started as a mysterious leak is now looking like one of the biggest challenges DJI has faced in years. Now all that's left is the official launch, real-world testing, and final pricing.